So check it out. I painted these Marx E7s in the Santa Fe Blue Bonnet scheme last summer, and I originally planned on getting some passenger cars for them. I was going to go with the Lionel ones, those vintage ones with a blue stripe on them. But it seems like every time I found them on eBay, they were pretty pricey, and then even worse at train shows, so I decided to paint my own. I had made a trade with a friend for some work that I did for one of his locomotives, and he sent me a few Marx ones that had already been painted by somebody. So I sanded off what they had done, and I still had some silver paint, and I also had the original blue paint that I painted the blue bonnet with. So I painted them up, and I also made some new domes for the Vista domes. A couple of them were bad, so I have a mold, and I poured some resin. So you can check those out too. So we're going to take them for a spin. You can check them out. The E7 has dual headlights, so from they're 19-volt LEDs from Evan Designs, and I think I used microscale decals on them. So here we go. I'll let you look at the passenger cars. And also the observation car has a trailing red light. I also made the window inserts too. I printed them out on vellum paper, and there's Marx scans that I've made of Marx originals. And we can pick the camera up the next time around. We'll follow the train a little bit. Here we come. Okay, now I'll set the camera back down. Gotta be careful with it. There we go. All right. Okay, what a beautiful train. I'm really happy with it. So thanks again for following this project, and thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.